It's working great. The new AgOtter actually seems to be working, if not as good, if better than the old one. As far as the availability to be able to walk up there, I don't have to get as close to the machine to read it, to watch it while it's working. Controls are all the same as the old, so it's really, there isn't a big learning curve to using it. It's, except for the fact that it's dust proof, it's waterproof. We can now wash our machines without putting a plastic bag over the old one, even though we probably didn't have to. We're always worried about getting it wet. Now we can wash our machines and not too much worry as to what's going to happen with the box. We see it seems to be stronger. We haven't had any problems with it. We have had problems in the past with the old ones because of vibration. We've had some parts inside that would break or come loose, and we'd send them back into the factory. Wasn't a big deal. They repaired them, but it was downtime. This one here seems to be holding up very well. We've got probably 200 hours on it now, if not more, and absolutely no problems whatsoever. Runs great, works good. Like I said, there's nothing new to learn about it except maybe some of the added features with the Bluetooth and its recording facilities. But as far as using it for rate monitoring, for us it works just great, just what we expect it to do. Install was just as easy as the other one, if not easier. Bolted in place, plugged in. The plugs, I like the plugs better. The way these plug in with a screw to hold that plug in, it's more of a waterproof set. Seems to work better. It's a better fit for the environment it lives in. It lives in a very dirty environment. It's inside the spray rig and the engine compartment. It's kind of warm in there. It's dirty in there. There's a lot of dust coming through it depending on where we're at and where we're spraying. But the plug-in features on this one here seems to be more adequate. Seems to be better adequate, I guess would be the word to say, as far as what it's doing for the environment it lives in.